I wanted to show you this building in the background, and I've made mention of it before.
Jam Fam family, the Jam Fam family, yeah. Jam Fam, come hang with me.
Hello, Wagwan. Big up yourself, whether you're there yard or you're there abroad. Welcome back to another episode of Life with the Jam Fams. In today's video, we're going to be sharing a few clips of us doing a range of different things with you. So here you go, enjoy. Eleona's evening to make dinner. And what are we having?
Burgers.
Okay, and what we're having with the burgers?
Juice.
Okay, so is it just burger or burger with fries? We're having fries as well?
Oh.
Because if we're having burgers, I want fries.
I'm not having fries either.
Oh gosh, when I get fries, more fries.
No, it's not planning on making any fries.
Okay then. So what you're making as well along with it? What else we're getting?
Dessert.
What's the dessert?
I made some cake pops.
Oh, so she decided that she's going to make dessert, and that the dessert is going to be a throwback to something that she made before in on more than one occasion. So what is the dessert? Come up and see it. Wow, I like how these look. Like proper smooth. Oh, why are these? Oh, you put other things on it. So you have additional, is that peanut?
Mm-mm.
It looks like it.
It looks cool.
But they look nice. I like the fact that you did two different variety. So, am I going to get to taste any?
It depends which one you want.
And tell the Jam Fam tribe what's inside.
It's the donut ball.
Okay. So there are many donut balls. We didn't make them ourselves. We bought them. So she bought them so that the process could go quicker, and then come home and made the rest. So now I want to taste one. Can I taste one? Okay. Thank you. So I have one of the nice smooth ones.
It looks like ice cream.
You did brilliantly, and you did it by yourself this time, so that's good.
The last time I just ran in the kitchen and I saw them on the counter and I took some.
It's nice. However, I'm going to restrain myself until I get my dinner.
To eat more.
I'm definitely going to have another one for dessert.
Okay.
Were you going to have one?
Yes.
Okay. Have you tasted it yet?
I tasted the chocolate separate and then I taste one of the donuts separate, but I haven't had it together yet.
Okay, so let's see what you think about it now that you've made it. Do you like it? I think it's really nice. I'm going to need to drink lots of water, but it's really nice. I like it too. High five. You did well on it, and to have done it independently too. So that's great. Eleona has made dinner and I've been called for it. So I'm going to have a quick look at what she's made and show that to you too. So let's have a look at it. So this is what I saw when I got in. So that one is hers over there. So she's had some fries and she's made a burger, chicken, but I also see like she's put egg in there as well and lettuce and stuff. And this is mine. Ah, you've done seasoned fries. That's quite nice. I'm looking forward to tasting it. Awesome. So this is dinner, and then I will have dessert. Oh, you haven't done your sauce. So see the seasoned fries. So she put this seasoned blend that she makes on it when she's making it. And it's really nice and spicy. So that's awesome. So now all I'm waiting for is my sauce that she's going to make. Is that what you're doing now? Okay, so I guess she's going to make it, and then we're going to be able to have it. So bon appetit, whatever you're having for your dinner this afternoon. It's another bill paying day, and remember, if you want to pay your bills in Jamaica, you can pay those online, you can pay those via apps, and you can pay those at payment kiosk in the office or in other offices in which they're working in tandem. However, I choose to walk and go to the office because it's my day of the month when I try to cash in as much steps that I didn't manage to do through the month. So I do my makeup steps day on my bill payment day, because I do have a little bit of walk that I need to do, and so it covers everything. It's also my point where I get to socialize a little bit with the public, given my current context that I don't necessarily go out to work and things like those like I used to before in the UK, and so I get that opportunity to do some of my socializing. So that's the sort of thing. I wanted to show you this building in the background, and I've made mention of it before on hello, how are you? Gentleman just came up and we were just having a little bit of a chit chat. Again, I got in some socializing, and then somebody else came who knew him and joined into some of the conversation that we were having. So that was quite awesome. Of course, he is a retiree, and so he was equally walking past this area that I walk through when I'm on my bill payment. But I wanted to bring your attention to the other day on one of the business that I suggested. I was talking about the walls and the concrete areas that have those black mold on it, and the fact that a power or steam wash would do well to refine it before you need to repaint. So that's what I'm referring to. And in certain areas you tend to see it accumulate more so than in other spaces, and it would be a brilliant thing to be able to clean that and revive it and make it look nice before they have to paint it again, because they have their set budget for when to paint, and it's not going to be painted until that budget is there. But it would spruce up the environment if it had that painting, that instead of having to paint it, if you were able to wash it, for example. So this is my little area that I just walk through and relax every so often. It's not doing justice, so I will just show it to you properly. So I just walk through this little garden each time and just spend a little bit of time just unwinding and relaxing as I come through to pay my bills, and then carry on. There are some remnants of burial they're still cutting down. This is what I meant again when I said one of the other things is a wood chip. So where you put the wood bits into the machine and it churns out the sawdust, and then this could just go back as manure or be sold to chicken farmers and to other farmers who might want to use it. So for example, horticulturalists might buy it to help with their potting of their flowers and things like that. So these are some really lovely resources. This would just be there to be able to, somebody could ask to get that done, and that becomes a paid job that just changes this landscape, because it will now just stay there until it decomposes, and of course it could look a lot better on the landscape whilst it is giving back to the soil in the same time if it was done with the wood chip. So this is just my little spot that I walk through, and it's awesome to just be able to walk here unbothered and just spend some time relaxing and unwind in this lovely little garden that is here. But now that I've come through it, there is also a spa. If you're one of those people who want to go to a spa, there's a spa in here as well that you could check out. But it's awesome to just walk through here and give myself the time. I've never gone down to that section up there, but one day I'm going to check it out to see what's beyond that. I know that there are some office buildings on the other side when I walk down on the main road, but I will give myself an opportunity to discover it one of the days. I'm going to head on now to my final bill payment and then try and make my way to the bank before it's too late. And you know how it goes. These are some of the things that you do, because no point me going to a cash point, because most likely I'll either have to be in a long queue or wait a very long time. I'll either have to be in a very long queue waiting a very long time, or going there and there's no money or it's out of service. So I prefer to just go to the bank. So I'm going to do that. It's been a little while since I've shared with you the generosity of some of the people in my network as they ensure that we have the things that we need, because not all of the times we have the trees on our property, and some of the ones where we do have the trees on our property, they aren't necessarily yet at the stage where they're starting to give fruit. And so let me just show this to you. So a friend of mine came by today and brought avocados, and 2 roasted breadfruit. This one was roasted in open fire, so I just peeled and pat them away. So this one I'll now have to go with the akis I showed you that I harvested off the aki tree at my house for Kwanzaa. And I also had a whole chicken, and directly from the farm a bottle of honey. And so I've already had some of that breadfruit and with a piece of the avocado for my dinner, and I will fry the breadfruit tomorrow for my breakfast because they were really hot. So they got them on their way to me. So it was extremely hot and delicious. So it's lovely to know that, you know, we will constantly have these opportunities to taste the things that are actually in season. Thank you to my group.
The Jam Fam family. Where I read, living the good life. We're royal, cruising through the West Indies, having fun, enjoying the good life. Jam Fam family, the Jam Fam family, yeah. Jam Fam.
Jam Fam tribe, I want to thank you for frequently coming back here and making this your place where you watch and like the videos, share it with your friends, and also enjoy reading your comments as you put them in the comments section. We appreciate your time that you're spending every time you click on our video to watch it, and we appreciate you for doing so. And as we continue to grow as a family, we just want to ask you to continue to share our videos with others who you believe like this type of content, and continue to show up as you do, as we continue to provide you with content that you can have a look at to see how life is going in Jamaica and how it could be for you if you decide that you're going to make Jamaica your forever home. And for those of you who are frequent flyer here but you haven't yet joined the family, you are not a Jam Fam tribe, what are you waiting for? Click that subscribe button and become a part of the Jam Fam tribe. Bye for now. We look forward to seeing you in the next one.